Want to number the rows in Google Sheets automatically? I'm here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to automatically number rows in Google Sheets. Now let's get started.
It's a really simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time, especially if you're working with long lists or large datasets. Alright, let's get started. First, select the cell where you want the numbering to begin. In this example, I'll start with cell A1. Type the first number in your sequence, such as 1. Then go to the cell directly below it and type the next number 2. Now select both cells. Next, move your cursor to the small blue square at the bottom right corner of the selection. This is called the fill handle. Once your cursor changes shape, click and drag it downward. And just like that, Google Sheets will automatically continue the numbering for you. Pretty easy, right? Also keep in mind your sequence doesn't have to start with 1. You can start with any number you want, then drag it the exact same way, and Sheets will continue the pattern. Now, let me show you another quick method using a formula. Click the first cell where you want your numbering to appear and type equals row open parenthesis A1 and close the parenthesis. What this formula does is return the row number of the reference cell. For example, row A1 returns 1, row B1 also returns 1. Basically, it gives you the row number based on the reference you provide. After typing the formula, press enter, then grab the fill handle again and drag it down to apply the formula to the rest of your rows. And that's it. Now you know two easy ways to number rows in Google Sheets automatically.